In this video, we are going to review some C++ source code, and then we're going to use Visual Studio to compile that code. So here's our code, and the pound include is the preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to include another program or file along with your source code. stdio.h is a file name hugged by angle brackets. The whole statement pound include stdio.h tells the compiler to use the file stdio.h, which contains standard input-output commands required by most C programs. Void main identifies the name of the function main. The void identifies the type of the function or what the function produces. In the case of main, it doesn't produce anything, and the C term for that is void. Two empty parentheses follow the function name. Sometimes there may be items in the parentheses. The curly brackets or braces enclose the function. Everything between them is part of the function main. Printf is a C language instruction, part of the programming language that eventually tells the computer what to do. Belonging to printf are more parentheses. In this case, the parentheses include text or string of text. Everything between the double quotes is part of printf's text string. The backslash and the little n represent the character produced by pressing the enter key. What it does is end the text string with a new line. The semicolon is how the C compiler knows when one statement ends and another begins. Even though printf is the only instruction in this program, the semicolon is still required. Let's write this program in Visual Studio. First, we create a new project. Then we select Empty Project because we want to only have in the project files that we added. I will name the project Compiling Happiness. This name will correspond to a folder name where the source code file and different configuration files in the executable will be located. Then I choose a location for all these files, and to make them easier to find, I check Place Solution and Project in the same directory. Then you right-click on Source File and Add New Item, and name it compilinghappiness.cpp. Another window opens and I can start typing my code. When you're ready to compile and run your program, click on Local Windows Debugger. The window that pops up shows that our string of text did not display properly, as noted earlier in the video. I will fix this program by adding a second percent symbol. As mentioned before, the percent symbol must be typed 2 times because a single is used for formatting specifiers. Finally, I'm going to show you how to get your project folder to view your source code. Your source code might have extension .cpp. You can open it up with a text editor. In my case, I'm set up to have my source code automatically open in a text editor.